Will now be recorded.
Very good, very good. Right. So come to the Python full stack with machine learning in AI. How many people know about this Python programming language? Python is the world famous programming language nowadays. The top one, which is going to be sit in the IT industry. And welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be starting the new free batch. This particular Python full stack machine learning AI, it could go for 45 days to 50 days. So everyday session is free. No need to pay money. No need to pay money. And first of all, Python is very famous. Very famous programming language. Python is very famous programming language. And one more important point, Python is number one programming language, number one programming in trend, in trend. And so whatever your background, I don't care. Okay, like people are coming from BTech, people are coming from MCA, people are coming from degree, people are coming from another different kind of domains. But here we are going to be learning Python programming language from scratch to mastery level, basic to pro level, zero to hero level. So we are learning Python. Only Python is not going to be giving the jobs for you guys. Or only programming language you learn, jobs are not there. After learning Python, based on the Python, we have to understand some libraries or frameworks. And nowadays, everybody know that artificial intelligence is going to be leading in the market. Every software application, including with the machine learning AI, even deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and nowadays quantum computing is also coming into the picture. There are multiple applications, even Excel application, even a small MS Office Excel application also integrating with the artificial intelligence. Everywhere AI. What this AI, what is AI doing? All the things one by one we try to understand simple things. Okay, so let me ask you questions. Anybody from BTech? Anybody doing jobs? Please reply me in the chat box, or you can speak with me. Uh, Hi, one by one. Just want to. Hi, Sriramulu. Hi, Bhaskar.
Yeah, hi sir. Sriram.
Hi, Sriram. You are from BTech
Hyderabad.
or no?
BTech,
Your
BTech.
your qualification. Ah, right. Bhaskar. Bhaskar, no. Sai Lahari. Chinta Sai Lahari. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Rohit. Okay, good, Rohit. And Dani. Who is Dani? Dinesh. Okay. Mahi. Manasa.
MCA, sir.
MCA. MCA done or doing?
The
Okay.
last semester.
Very good, very good. Python lover. Rohit Pavan. Sanjay. Sheikh. Ashik. Mahi. Okay. Very good. Then Siddhartha. Tarun.
BTech, sir.
Very good, very good. Tarun. Vamsi. Varsha.
Taran doing job.
Very good, very good. In which domain you are doing job, sir?
Snowflake developer.
Super, super. Okay. Vamsi. Varsha. Okay, fine. So I just want to meet all the
Hi,
persons in the day one.
hi, sir.
Yeah, hi. Yeah.
Uh,
Daily I
Bhaskar
don't ask.
speaking.
Daily I don't want to talk to you guys. Okay. Okay. The first day only I'm talking with you. Just I want to glad. Okay. Python is very famous programming language. Python is the number one programming in the trend. I just want to show you top 10 programming languages in the world. Top 10 programming languages in the world. Top 10. I just want to search like a top 10 programming languages in 2025. Okay, almost Python is first. Python is first. Python is trending and Python is first. And what we can do with Python? Basically, I just want to write a simple definition about the Python. Okay, this is the general definition. I want to write myself a simple definition for Python. Python is general purpose. General purpose. Python is general purpose, demanded, interpreted, object oriented, language. Python is what? General purpose, demanded, interpreted, object oriented programming language. And what we can do with Python? What we can do with Python? What we can do with Python? We can do anything with Python, sir. Python can be used for web application development, server side, Django, Flask. Python can use for data science applications development, data science projects. Python can use for artificial intelligence. Not only this, Python is using for mobile app development, mobile apps. You can develop mobile apps also using with Python. Mobile apps. And Python can able to use for blockchain application development, blockchain apps. And Python can use for desktop application development. Python can use for quantum computing. Nowadays, quantum computing is basically emerging. Quantum computing. Python can use for different kind of applications. Something like ERP applications you can able to develop. ERP, enterprise resource apps. And Python used for develop games already given. No, gaming applications, gaming apps. Sir, what not, sir? Everywhere Python is available. Python is available in cloud computing. Like AWS, Azure, GCP. Python used for data analytics. Lot of things. Data analytics. Python used for data engineering. Okay. So I just want to tell you where Python can be used in the real time. Python is a programming language which is going to be using for web application development, data science projects, artificial intelligence, mobile applications, blockchain applications, desktop applications, quantum computing, ERP applications, gaming applications, cloud computing, AWS, Azure, GCP, data analytics. Okay, and Python is going to be using for data engineering also. Everywhere Python is available, sir. Everywhere Python is available. And what is this particular course? What we are going to be teaching with this particular course? I just want to explore a simple picture here. So we are learning end-to-end full stack application. For example, this is your desktop. Or this is your mobile. From your desktop, from your mobile, you are connecting to the servers. And servers are connecting with the databases. Okay. So first of all, we are going to be sending a simple request from the browser. For example, imagine this is the browser. From the browser, I am trying to giving a request to the server. There is an Amazon application, www.amazon.co.in. When you are connecting browser to server is going to be responding with you, with your credentials and all. Server is asking database, this particular user have any information or not. Checking the database. If the data is available, then response coming back. This is some kind of request. We are trying to giving a request from browser to server to database. Request is going to be sending. If user is authenticated, if user is available, then server responding back server responding back with data, database is responding server, and server is responding back to the client. This is something like a client to server architecture. This is something like a client to server architecture. Okay, what our course is going to be covering with? What our course is going to be covering with? Imagine this is the database. Okay, so you have the data, and this database is migrating with one important thing. This database is migrating with one important thing called machine learning. This database need to integrate with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Here in this part of artificial intelligence, we will be having a lot of things. We will be having machine learning. We will be having deep learning. We will be having NLP. We will be having a computer vision, CV. Lot of things. Okay. So finally, what we are going to be learning from scratch to end. In the part of the user interface, in the part of the front end, this is actually called front end development. So we are doing front end development, and we are doing server side development, server side development, server side development, and we are doing database development, database integration. We are doing database integration, something like MySQL or MongoDB databases we can able to integrate here. Okay, MySQL is a relational database. MongoDB is a non-relational database. No relational database. And come to the part of the front end, we are trying to learning a lot of different technologies. Like we are learning HTML, we are learning CSS, we are learning JavaScript. Sorry, JavaScript, and we are learning Bootstrap, and we are learning React.js. We are learning React.js also. This is the part of the front end we are learning. Part of the server side. Part of the server side, what we are learning here? One is Python. One is Python. We are learning Python. We are learning Django. We are learning Flask. We are learning Flask implementation, server side implementation. In database level, we are going to be learning two databases. One is a MySQL database we will learn. MongoDB database also we will learn. And coming to the artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, CV. Here also Python. Here also Python programming. Here also all this machine learning implementing with Python only. Everywhere Python is available, sir. Everywhere Python is available. So that is the why reason. First of all, we will understand about the Python programming step by step, day by day, end to end. So from beginner level to master level, first of all, we will learn Python. Can I go ahead with Python first? This is the architecture. This is the course architecture. Basically, what we are going to be doing is we are doing front end part, we are doing server side part, we are doing a database, and we are doing artificial intelligence also. End to end development in these particular sessions we are going to be learning free of cost. No need to pay money, sir. No need to pay money, sir. Okay. So here, please attend all the days live sessions. Every day live session is going to be available in the morning, 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. we will be having a Marn stack, that is also full stack, and that is also free. Everybody can able to understand and everybody can able to learn, do practice well. And if you have any queries and questions, you can ask me in the chat box here. Okay, right. Can I go ahead? Is it okay, everyone? This architecture is okay? This architecture is okay? This is the course outline. This is the course outline. Basically, this is the course outline. What we are trying to learning. What we are going to be doing. End of the day, you people have to develop one simple application like this. End of the day, you people have to develop one simple application like this with ML AI integrated. With ML AI integrated or Flipkart. You can use Flipkart also. All these are web applications only. All these are web applications only. Open Flipkart. You are giving a request. You are giving the request. You are getting the response, and you will be getting the login pages, and you will be getting the data here based on the search. For example, if I want to click on electronics, one other request is going to be sending to the server, and electronics related data, I can able to see a lot of data here. When you click on something, it is opening the product detail page. There are a number of products which are going to be opening here. When I click on the product, it will open the product detail page. From here, you can able to go for the cart, or you can able to purchase the product. Everything is online, sir. Coming days, everything is online. Every business is online, and hospitality online, and this finance is online, banking is online, food ordering is online, uh, watching movies is online. Since AML very fast and takes 5 to 6 months, then how you are going to such things within 40 to 55 days? Okay. So Python lover is asking some question. AI/ML is very vast and take 5 to 6 months. Who told you guys? Who told you Python will take or AI/ML will take 5 to 6 months? Ashik, timings are fixed. 11 to 12 in the morning. Python full stack is there, and 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Marna full stack is there. Timings fixed. There is no timing changes. Okay. Let me go. Let me go Python now. So this is actually the Python is. I want to tell you so few more things about the Python. Python is dynamic typed, sir. Python is dynamic typed. Dynamic typed. What is the meaning of dynamic typed here? For example, if you want to write a Java program, Java is static typed. Java is static typed. Python is dynamic typed. Okay. What is the meaning of static typed? What is the meaning of dynamic typed? For example, in Java, if you want to write a simple addition program, int x is equal to 10, semicolon, and int y is equal to 20, semicolon, and int z is equal to x plus y. And if you want to print this in Python, if you want to do this in Python, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to x plus y. That's all. There is no data type declaration. There is no data type declaration in Python. No need to define any data type in Python, and no need to give the semicolons also. No need to give the data types, and no need to give the semicolons also in Python. So that much comfortability Python is going to be giving you. That is the why reason I told you Python is dynamic typed, Java is static typed. Am I clear, everyone? And what are the different kind of editors you can able to work with for Python? There are multiple kind of editors you can able to work with. You can write Python in Notepad. You can write Python in Notepad++. You can write Python with Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. You can write Python with Atom. You can write Python in brackets. You can write Python in Sublime Text. You can write Python in PyCharm. You can write Python in Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. Sorry. Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator is not editor, it is environment. It is environment. In this environment, you will be having a Jupyter. You will be having Jupyter. You will be having Spider. Anywhere you can write Python. Okay, these are the editors locally you need to work with. Or there is one online editor is there. Online editor. Online Google Collaboratory. Google Colab. You can use Google Colab directly. You can able to write Python code. This is the Google Collaboratory. There also you can able to work with a Python programming language. Am I clear, guys? So I will deal all the Python related classes in Collaboratory and web development related things in the VS Code. And finally, we try to understand GitHub, how to push the code into the GitHub, and how to do the modifications and all, and how to upload to the servers. End of the day, we will upload the project into the server. Then only the project is live. Okay. So end of the day, we will do the project also. That is a case. Okay, let me install Python. Locally, how to work with the Python. Locally, how to work with the Python. And there is a one thing called IDLE. IDLE is nothing but integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. So when you install Python, automatically this IDLE is available with you. Once you install Python, automatically IDLE is available with you. You can directly go through the IDLE. You can directly go through the IDLE. Okay, I'll try to install Python now first. Installation of Python. Installation of Python is very simple, straightforward. You take your system, connect with the browser, connect with internet, go to the browser, search for python.org. Search for python.org. So there you can able to download Python. Okay, so install Python from this website. Install Python from this website. Okay, open browser, connect with internet, go through the website, download. From this you can download it. Download. After downloading, you have to install it. After download, you have to install it. Just simple steps. Install. Okay, let me go through the official website python.org. So go to the downloads here, go to the Windows operating system, click on the button. Now your Python is going to be downloading for us. Can you see the Python is going to be downloading? Python file is going to be downloading, exe file. There you can open the file and double click on the file. When you double click on the file, it is going to be installing for your system. So I already have Python installed. That is the why reason it is asking me install Python 64-bit. Okay, let me go installation. Setup process is going on. It will take few minutes to you for installation. Within few minutes, it will install for you. Python is going to be installing for you. Sir, when class is going on, please don't write the notes. Just listen the class. Some people are actually listening the class at the same time they are writing the notes and they are doing multiple operations. You cannot do the multiple operations. When the class is going on, please listen the class carefully, understand the terminology, understand the subject. Later you can watch the video. Anyway, I will upload the video in the YouTube now, and please watch the video in the YouTube and you can do the practice there. I will give the video in the YouTube today. Please go with that. Do practice well. Okay, by installation you can able to write Python. So installation is getting over. Okay, done. Setup was successful. Close it. Setup was successful. Close it. Then after that, okay, Python. You can search for IDLE here. IDLE. Sir, IDLE, sir. This is the IDLE. This is the default editor when you install Python. This IDLE is available with you. Open IDLE. Open IDLE. And where you can able to write Python code in two different ways. This is the IDLE where you can write Python code in two different ways. The first is the shell mode, interpreted mode. Second one is the batch mode. Here I can able to write my Python code. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 34 into 6. Output is coming. 567 divided by 78. Output is coming. 57 percentile 4. Output is coming. Remainder is 0. 4 to the power of 89. What is the 4 to the power of 89? It is a bigger value, I think. It seems a very big number. Very big number. 4 to the power of 89. 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is very simple, sir. 8 only. But 4 to the power of 89 also, the value is coming immediately. This is the editor. This is IDLE editor where you can write your Python code. But every time you need to give the enter. After writing some code, you need to enter. So name is equal to Mohansh. Name is equal to Mohansh. Then press enter. Then name call the name Mohansh came. In this way, you have to practice in ideally interpreted mode. In ideally, there is a one more mode actually available, that is called batch mode. You can go to the file, create a new file here, file, new file, file, new file, and batch mode. This is the batch mode. And how to save the file? Go to the file and save as. I need to save the file. I need to save the file on top of the desktop, and this is going to be storing into the folder. I will create a new folder, I think. Maybe I need to create a new folder. Python, full stack Python. Let me go Python full stack. Inside the Python full stack, I need to create a new folder, day1. I need to create a new folder, day1. This is the day1 folder. Inside the day1 folder, I need to save the file. Okay, I need to save the file .py. .py, don't forget. .py, don't forget. Python files will save with the .py format. Okay, let me write down the point here. Python files saved with .py format. Don't forget about it. File name is your wish. File name is custom name. File name is custom name. You can give any name. File name is custom name. You can give any name for that. Okay. File name is custom name. That's all. Come to the point. I saved the file, right? Now I saved the file. This is the terminal. Okay. Where is the command line? Yeah. File.py. File.py. Okay. Let me write down the program. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 20. Z is equal to X plus Y. Z is equal to X plus Y. Over print Z. I want to print the Z value. Okay. Z. Okay, now you can go to the run option here, run module. F5. F5 is a shortcut. Run module. Okay, so save it and run it. Okay, I got the output 30. Can you see the output here? Can you see the output here? If you want, you can modify the file. For example, I want to modify the file. Okay, let me give the name is equal to. I am trying to giving a name. Keyboard is worst. Name is equal to. I want to give the double quotes or single quotes. Yeah, Mohansh. Sorry, sir. System is little bit slow. Okay, Mohansh. Okay, let's close it. Okay, name is Mohansh. I want to print the name. Print name. Okay, so fine. Keyboard is not responding, sir, properly. Okay, let me save the file. File, save, and go to run option, run module. Okay, Mohansh is there. So in this way, you can able to practice the programming in ideally. That is the one editor. After ideally, you will be go with the notepad, you will be go with the Sublime Text, you will be go with the Visual Studio Code. There are multiple editors you can able to work with. I will show in Visual Studio Code also. I will open Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code I already installed. That is the one more editor. That is the one more editor where you can able to create your new file, new text file, new file, new text file. Okay, so my file was created. I just want to save the file first of all. Okay, I need to save the file. Okay, Control S. File, save as. I need to store into a folder. What is the folder I created? Now desktop. In full stack Python, in day1, already file I created. Now I am giving a file1, file1.py, file1.py. Yes, save it. Now for this Visual Studio Code, you need to install one plugin. You need to install one plugin. Go to the extensions option here and search for the plugin called Python. Search for the plugin called Python. So this plugin is important to run the Python files. So this is the plugin which is from Microsoft. This is a plugin. You need to install this plugin. After installing this plugin, you can write down your source code. Now I'm trying to writing my source code in the file1.py. Same code. I want to give the x is equal to 10. I want to give the y is equal to 20. If you want, I will improve the font size. Okay. I want to give the z is equal to x plus y. And finally, I want to print the z. Yes, you can do it. Print of addition is something. I want to print like addition is addition okay, addition is, then comma your z. That's all actually you want to do. Comma z, keep the z. Now execute the file. You can go to the play option here, run Python file. When you run your Python file, automatically you will be getting the output. Addition is 30. Can you see the output here? Addition is 30. This is a one editor. This is called Visual Studio Code. In ideally, I told you, I shown you two procedures. One is a command line process, one is a batch mode. One is a command line mode, one is a batch mode. Even in the Visual Studio Code also, I written the program. And one more editor, Sublime Text. I have Sublime Text already installed, I think so. Let me open the Sublime Text here. Yeah, that is already there with me. One more editor, Sublime Text. You can work with the Sublime Text also. This is the Sublime Text. And where you can able to create your Python file. So file, new file. I am trying to saving the file. Save as same like that. I need to store the file somewhere in the folder Python full stack. In the day1 folder, I am storing the file. File is already available. File 1 is already available. Now I am taking file 2, file2.py, file2.py. Save it. The same program. I want to write down the same program. So Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay, save it. And go to the tools. Go to the build. Control B is the shortcut. Control B. Just build the code. Addition is 30. Sir, whatever I am showing here, all these are actually local installations. Local installations. Your IDLE is local installation, and this Sublime Text is local installation. Even Visual Studio Code also local installations. Everything is local installations. But very famous one, Google Collaboratory, that is online one. You try with different other editors also. Whatever the editors I written here, you can work with all editors. But the next option, online Google Collaboratory. How this Google Collaboratory is working for Python? Just I want to search for collab, Google Collab. Just open Google Collab. Welcome to Collaboratory. Welcome Collaboratory. And here you need to create a new notebook, sir. You need to create a new notebook over there. Okay, I opened a new notebook here. Just opened it. First of all, whenever you open the notebook, you need to connect it to the cloud. So first of all, you need to connect it to the cloud. Connect it to the cloud. Connecting. And this Google is going to be giving you some CPU and RAM. Some CPU got allocated, some RAM also got allocated. Okay, connected. Can you see here? Some RAM got allocated, some disk got allocated for you. Okay, then you can play with your Python code. You can start with your coding part. So 2 plus 3, I want to give the 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Just play the cell. Output 5. Output 5. In the same way, you can able to write the Python code. Suppose, for example, name is equal to Mohansh. Name is equal to, I am giving the name here. Name is equal to Mohansh. Yeah. Mohansh. Then I want to print the name, sir. Print the name. print name, the same line. Okay, play the cell, you can see the output. Yeah, I got output. In the same way, you can do the practice. The same way we can do the practice in the collaboratory. This is the collaboratory. Every day we will use collaboratory only to practice our files. Okay, this is the full stack Python. And it automatically connected to the Google Drive. And this file is going to be saving with the Google Drive. And I will share the notes. I will share the notes, everything. You can share your email IDs here. Please share your email IDs. Every notes I will share with your email IDs from the Google Drive. Even these collaboratory files, whatever the regular notes, regular things I will share with you. Please share your email IDs in the chat box. Everybody sharing your email IDs, sir? Please share your email IDs in the chat box. Everything, every notes, every file will be available with you. Google Drive, I will share with you. Drive link, I will share with you. Yes, go ahead. Provide your email IDs. That's it. Enough. Yes, come to the point. So this is the collaboratory where you can able to work with the Python. So first of all, what you have to do today is you just go through the play with arithmetic operators. Play with arithmetic operators in the collaboratory. Just play with arithmetic operators. The first day, what you have to do is try to work with local installations like Visual Studio Code install, ideally Python install, automatically ideally will come. And Sublime Text practice and different editors also do practice with. .py is mandatory there. But collaboratory files extension is different. Collaboratory file extension is the .ipynb. But normal editors, local editors, your extension is .py. .py. Okay, let me go. And here I'm just giving the multiplication. I'm just giving the multiplication. Yeah, multiplication I got. I want to give the division. I want to give the division. Yeah, division I got. I want to see the remainder value. Okay, 345 percentile 7 or 6. You will be getting the remainder value. Remainder value is 3. And you will be getting the power value also 34 to the power of 5. 34 to the power of 5. This is the number. Very big number. Okay, I want to keep some messages here. Suppose a message. I want to say something like hello. Hello message I want to show. So hello is equal to welcome to Mohansh. Welcome to Mohansh. Welcome to Mohansh. Okay. Yeah. After this, you can play it. You can play it. Okay. So I need to execute now. I need to call the hello now. Hello is actually stored some value, and I need to call the value. Hello. I'm calling the hello. Hello already stored with the value. I'm calling the hello. Okay. I just want to say something like first name and last name. First name is equal to Mohansh. First name is equal to Mohansh, and the last name is Technologies. Last name is equal to Technologies. First name is Mohansh, last name is Technologies. Finally, I need to get the full name. Full name is equal to first name plus last name. That is what actually you want. Accept the code, whatever the code it is giving. First underscore name plus, I want to take a space also in between. Then I take a plus symbol, L underscore name. First name plus last name with a space also. First name plus last name with a space. I am adding a concatenating with a space also. Finally, you will be getting the full name. I need to call the full name now. I need to call the full name now. So call the full name here. Okay, full name. Just call the full name. You will be getting the full name finally. Full name is Mohansh Technologies. I want to see something like a full name is kind of thing. Okay, I want to print this. Print of full name is 1 second. Full name is, then comma, full name. Yes, you get it. Now execute it. you will be getting the output like full name is Mohansh Technologies. Full name is Mohansh Technologies. And Python is, I told you, Python is dynamic typed. No need to specify the data types. I want to define the multi data type, a multi value at the same time. X comma y comma z is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. So finally I want to print the x value. X got stored with 10, y got stored with 20, z got stored with 30. Okay, in that way you can able to write out, and you can able to write the conditions also in Python. Very simple. If name is equal to already name defined, name, suppose I want to define the name here. Name is equal to something like Mohansh, and I want to check the name. If name double equal to, when I give the double equal to, it will go with the comparison. Double equal to Mohansh, double equal to, checking with Mohansh. Okay, Mohansh. Then go with the colon, indentation. I will tell you the indentation later. What is the concept of indentation? Python compulsory need indentation. Python compulsory need indentation. Okay, so print name is Mohansh. Okay, let me take the code. Matched. This is the problem with the GoToMeeting, or very slow. Else print not matched. Print not matched. So guess what is the output, guys? Guess what is the output here? What could be the output of this program now? What could be the output of this program
Not
now?
matched. Not matched.
Not matched. Why?
Spelling is wrong. If name equal to marks.
Yes, not matched. Why? Because of spelling is wrong. Spelling is wrong. So for example, if I keep the name same, matched. This is actually condition. So later we can understand how the conditions will work, how the loops will work. For example, I want to print a loop. Okay. I want to print a 5 numbers. Okay. How to print a 5 numbers? For oh my God, keyboard is worst. For I is the index. I just want to give the I in range of, sir, range function, sir, range of 10. Print I. Then execute it. I can able to print 0 to 9 values in the range of 10. This is very, very simple, straightforward. Okay, I want to write a loop with condition. If I percentile to is equal to 0, then only print the I. Then only print the I. So print this I in the block, in the indentation block. Then print only even numbers. Print only even numbers, 0 to 468. So something like this, loops and conditions. There are multiple concepts in Python we will discuss. And once we complete the Python, I start with the user interface. I start with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. Once we done all these fundamentals, then we will move to the Django or Flask frameworks, how to create the services, and how to integrate with the machine learning. Okay, some kind of algorithms we will learn. Supervisor learning, recommendation system we can work out. Okay, so there are multiple things we have to deal. Everyday class is a live class. Please join in the live classes every day in the morning, 11 to 12, and 12 to 1. 12 to 1 is a Marna full stack. That is also free. You can go with the Marna full stack also. Both are free. Okay, I think everybody given email ID, sir. Any questions so far, guys? Any questions you people have till now? Today I got with installation, local systems, at the same time online editors. Any questions and queries, please go ahead. Sriramulu, Bhaskar.
Yes, Mohansh.
Yeah, any question?
Yes, once we complete this course, right, we can able to place in our resume. We have some much experience, means 1 2 years experience we can mention, and we can attend the interviews.
Definitely, sir. You can keep 4 to 5 years of experience also after this particular course.
Okay, once course completed, we can make four to
Once
five
course
years
complete,
experience.
you need to practice well, you need to implement properly, and you need to prepare the interview questions, and you need to attend the different kind of interviews. Automatically, you can place it.
Okay,
Even you can keep 4 to 5 years of experience also with this.
sure.
Even immediately, people can able to get the jobs like a minimum 15 lakhs to 18 lakhs. Okay,
Okay,
there are huge number of job openings which are going to be available for the Python full stack. You can search in different websites. You can search in LinkedIn. You can search in Amazon. Sorry, you can search in Naukri. There are multiple portals, right? One is a LinkedIn, one is a Naukri. Everybody have LinkedIn profiles, huh?
Yes, yes.
Yes, please prepare LinkedIn profiles and prepare the Naukri login also, and keep your resumes here and search for the jobs here. Just go to the jobs here and ask for Python, machine learning, AI, all the things. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Show all
Can
and
we
search.
can we get any certification after completion of this course?
No certifications, sir. Only classes. No
Only classes,
certifications.
okay.
Only classes. No certifications.
Can you? Okay.
Okay. I will upload these videos
Ca-
in the YouTube. Right now, today, something is going on now. So this Mohansh
Can
Technologies,
you
if anybody not subscribed this channel, please go and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon where I am
can
uploading
you
the
refer any placements?
definitely, sir. Yeah, so here in the morning classes already 15 videos already there. So classes are going like this. Every section is the playlist, and quantum computing, blockchain, different courses, different videos I already uploaded. Just go through that, and you can go through the Go language, you can go through the Groovy language, you can go through the Marn, and already 2 batches are running in the morning time. One is a free UI, and one more is the free Python is already going. So that is also having 16 videos. You can just watch these videos like this every day. I'm uploading into the YouTube. Day 1 to day 16 already uploaded. The same procedure is going to be happening with the recording sessions, and notes and everything I will share with you. Your email IDs I will collect, and I will share the notes. Still any questions you have? I'm going to be signing off now, and join for Marna full stack if anybody interested. Uday, Golang classes. I will update Uday. Will update with you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, provide your comments. Your comments are valuable, sir. Please provide your
Yes, I
comments.
have one doubt.
Go ahead, Mahesh.
Yeah, I have 1 year gap. My last working day is 2024 June 14th. I have 1 year gap around. Can
You
am I
need to
suitable for this course?
definitely 100%. Sir, there is a
Okay.
process, sir. If something is there, there is a process. So you can able to
Yeah,
fill
okay.
your gap. That is not an issue.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Right. So thanks for attending the session. I hope everybody enjoyed the session. We'll meet again tomorrow in the
Yes, sir.
morning, 11 a.m. Happy Diwali one more time.
Yeah, happy Diwali.
See
Love
you
you.
signing off. Yeah, see you signing off.